So this video will go into depth on the smart doorbell created using the Raspberry Pi. This smart doorbell will be able to detect motion in a frame and then take a picture, take a 15-second video, have those drop to a Dropbox, and then have a chosen user emailed and texted that there's a movement at their given place. Here's the setup for the Raspberry Pi. As you can see there, 3D printed mount for the camera, angled towards the door here so we can detect any movement in and out of the room. There was some troubles with VNC viewer, so I directly connected the Pi to my TV using an HDMI cord and ran everything through the Pi using a keyboard and mouse. Here we have the code. We import necessary libraries, and then we go through and mask and gray and blur the image so that it's easier to compute. We have a while loop, and this goes through and captures images, compares the image to see each pixel in the image to see if there's a change, and then it sums this change to see if there's a big enough change for detection, because they can change slightly from frame to frame just from different lighting. Capturing a video, and go down here, uploading Dropbox. As you can see here, we have my new email I created along with my original email to have these images sent and videos sent, and these attach the images, and then this is for sending the text message using Tilio. And if not, then nothing will be detected, and that'll just continue to print. Here we can run the code. So you can see there's the frame right there, which is right there. And then we can have Jay walk through. Now it is recording the video. It's uploading to Dropbox. We'll send the text. So you can see now we have the email and text pop up. With the images. And then we can go to our Dropbox account. Added just now the video, and there you have it.